Good morning, students and parents of Memorial 9th grade. This is a quick short video on how to access Schoology to get to your courses. The first step is going to be to open a Google Chrome browser similar to this one, and in the search bar we're going to type www.paisd.org and hit the enter. That will bring us to the district website. From this point, we want to take our mouse and hover over students, and then we want to go all the way to the bottom to learning apps. Once we are in learning apps, you will see this graphic of Schoology student login. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to a Google login screen. If we have our account set up, it will show our name with our school email. It should be a PAISD email. If you do not have a school email on there for your student, you can click on Use Another Account and enter in the information. It will look like this, and I will type in my school email, and then I will type in my password, which should be, your school email will be your first name with your ID number at students.paisd.org. The password will be the student's first initial and ID number. Once you've completed that, you will hit next. And that will log you into Schoology, where you'll be able to see your courses and your updates. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.